Start. The COVID-19 crisis is far from over, but governments everywhere appear to have either relaxed lockdown parameters or will do so soon. Stop. The curve may have been flattened, but there will be a greater risk now of being infected. Stop. Para. Containing COVID 19 and restoring our economies requires not just good policy decisions and medical advice, it also needs continued compliance with the recommended behavioral changes that, in many ways, go against social and cultural conventions. Stop. Daunting as they may seem, the drastic changes in behavior being called for can indeed be brought about. Stop. The science of social marketing uses known marketing principles and behavior change theory to influence people's behavior for the benefit of both the target audience and of society. Stop. Public health, safety, and environmental concerns are some of the areas where social marketing can have huge impact. Stop. Para. The health belief model within bracket HBM developed by Erwin M. Rosenstock others suggests that a person's health related behaviors ultimately stem from the desire to avoid illness. Stop. The two most important constructs of the model are colon perceived benefits dash the effectiveness of actions available to reduce the threat of the disease and perceived barriers dash the obstacles to performing a recommended health action. Stop. The model also recognizes the importance of within quote cues to action quotation close or triggers which set into motion the process of adopting the desired behaviors. Stop. These cues typically are emotional, not just informative or educational. Stop. The HBM presumes that knowledge or education alone is grossly insufficient to change a person's behavior. Stop. Cigarette sales, for example, did not decline significantly for years despite the ills of smoking having been widely publicized. Stop. Para. India is one of the few countries that appears to have recognized the power of deliberately crafted emotive cues to action, such as the Prime Minister's call for a voluntary within quote Janata curfew, exhorting citizens to show that they care for themselves and their loved ones and to display their patriotism. Stop. People were asked to stay indoors but at 5 pm to also applaud healthcare workers and others who are a part of the pandemic battle. Stop. The blend of fear, patriotism, and gratitude extolled by the Prime Minister appeared to have been just the right buttons to push, and people did stay indoors. Stop. Yet at 5 pm, while many applauded from their balconies, hordes of others congregated in large groups, throwing social distancing to the winds. Stop. Fear, patriotism, and gratitude, even if they were effective as within quote initiating cues to action, were insufficient to sustain behavior change and needed to be periodically rekindled. Stop. The Prime Minister later called upon citizens to switch off lights at 9 pm for 9 minutes on a chosen day and light lamps to go within quote from darkness to hope quotation close. Stop. As is well known, the number 9 and lighting lamps are powerful positive symbol in India. Stop. Para. In Singapore, the government, perhaps taking a cue supported an event within quote Sing Together Singapore quotation close stop. People at home were encouraged to sing as well and wave a torchlight as gratitude for frontline and migrant workers. Stop para. Going back to the main constructs of the HBM, to be effective, the social marketing message would present the benefits as applying direct to the individual, not just indirectly to society at large. Stop. And messaging about barriers should not make the change appear too difficult to engage in or make the cost of adopting the behaviors appear too high. Stop. Supportive measures should facilitate the adoption of the desired behavior. Stop para. Here is an example to illustrate this. Stop. In the 1970s, Bangladesh undertook an ambitious family planning campaign keeping in mind the country's limited resources. Stop. Research showed that while the women were able to readily see the benefits, the men who were the decision makers at home could not. Stop para. The campaign became successful after social marketers decided to empower women by making female contraceptives available through women rural medical practitioners who made house calls. Stop. The marketers also designed a communications program directed at men highlighting benefits such as better health for their wives, thereby enabling them to look after their husbands and children better. Stop para. This writer conducted informal interviews within bracket not scientific by any means bracket close in Chennai to gauge receptivity to recommended behaviors during the pandemic. Stop. Here are the findings in relation to some of the recommended behavioral actions and possible messaging and support measures. Stop para. Many were not quite convinced of the threat posed by asymptomatic others merely because they were close by. Stop. The perceived direct benefits of social distancing were thus moderate at best. Stop. Further, one does not have the luxury of observing physical distancing in many situations within bracket, especially in densely populated areas. Bracket close. Stop. Telling someone to stand away is also difficult because it could be considered rude. Stop. Hygiene instructors often ask an audience to color their hands and then show the imprints they leave everywhere to demonstrate how germs can spread. Stop. Would a social marketing campaign that paints a picture of the virus within quote jumping onto you if you are close to an infected person work? Question mark. This needs to be supported by physical barriers wherever possible to promote social distancing. Stop.